All right, everybody, welcome back to another video. And as you guys have seen by the title and thumbnail, we are going to be doing a license plate light bulb install or an upgrade for the Sierra AT4. And I'll show you guys here as we unlock the vehicle. I've already changed one. You guys can see the difference there in the LED versus the halogen. And you can see the huge difference between the two there that light up your license plate at night. Obviously it's not too dark now, but we will show you guys again in the dark what it looks like. It makes a huge difference. You can already see how much the LED bulb lights up on the truck versus just the normal halogen bulb that comes on the truck, which is very weird why the AT4 comes with those yellow halogen bulbs instead of the LED, like the white bulb. But I'm pretty much going to show you guys how to install them. You don't need a hoist or anything like that. You can do it off the ground, which I'm going to show you here. So I'll show you guys what you need to do first to install the bulbs. All right, guys, so now we are under the truck. And first you're going to want to find the license plate bulb, which it's very tucked away in a pretty tight spot. So I'll get you guys as close as I can to it. So first you can obviously, when you're under, you can kind of see where it should line up. And once you guys are under, you can see in there, hopefully you can see pretty well. You can see that little yellow and green wire that has that gray housing on it. That is what you're going to be pulling out. Let's see if I can give you a closer look. Kind of hard to see in there, but you can see it from this angle here. And I'll show you guys when I pull it out. All right, guys, so you can see there's that halogen bulb in there. I've taken that gray housing out of the socket, and you can see that halogen bulb in there. And you're pretty much just going to pull that bulb straight out, which obviously I can't do now because I only have the one hand available. And I will pull that bulb out and put the new one in. I'll show you guys what that kind of housing looks like. All right, guys, so you can see there we have the housing for the license plate light without the bulb in it. And I'm gonna throw in the new LED bulb here. And we'll show you guys what the final product looks like. All right, guys, so here's the finished product. You can see we have both LED lights installed now. And that looks just so much brighter from even in the day. Wait until at night. We can show you guys a couple clips. It looks way nicer. But yeah, I definitely recommend putting these bulbs in if you guys want to just enhance your, well, the visibility on your license plate, and then also just the look of the truck, because they look a lot sharper compared to those dull yellow and orange ones. All right, guys, so as you can see, we have the LED license plate lights installed on the AT4. And look at how much better or brighter these lights are, guys. If you have the normal halogen bulbs, which it's weird because all Sierras do come with those bulbs, look at how much brighter these bulbs are. They make your plate so much more visible at night, as well as the whole kind of truck looks a lot nicer. Obviously you guys can see we have the LumaStep M2 running boards from Boost Auto, but look at how nice these lights are at night. They really make the truck look honestly how it should from factory. But guys, I do recommend changing these lights to LED bulbs instead of the halogens that they come with. And if you guys did enjoy watching this video, please drop a like. Also, comment down below on what you think of these lights, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.